can't get them.
Yeah.
I can't
What do you
get
think,
'em.
huh?
I think you need to put them even a little further.
I think so too. Let's put them out a little further. Yeah. There you go. Now you can get up on all fours and you can go get them.
Can you do it?
See, if that butt of mine wasn't so heavy.
She couldn't get over her leg.
Say, I'm doing pretty good because I can sit back up from when I'm down here. That's pretty good.
Oh, I'm so close. Hey. You almost got him. Go a little farther. Oh, there you go. You got it.
Look at her lift herself up like that.
Superman. Supergirl.
Isn't it marvelous how wonderful we think you are? Isn't that marvelous? What's Rusty Dog doing? What's Rusty doing? Huh? What's he doing? Yeah.
Ooh. You want some of these? Those? Or your elephant?
Say, Daddy, put him out of my reach so I can come get him.
Can you get these ones? Get that one?
So I don't know.
Uh-oh.
This butt's gonna be kind
Uh-oh.
of hard to get up in the air.
Here, reach
That
up now.
butt's gonna be hard to get up in the air.
Stretch.
She's doing it. She's scooting herself.
Uh-oh, wrong way. I just stretch
Yeah, but I know
harder.
how to do that.
I just stretch harder, maybe I can do it. If you roll this way, you can get them.